Kenzie, I see that you're wearing the same outfit and makeup from a previous video. Like, one that you just did. Yes, I am. Because I filmed 2 videos in one day. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the June Boxyluxe for the month of June. That is right, you guys. I literally just got this in the mail 5 seconds ago, so I want to go ahead and open it with you guys today. I haven't even undone the seal, so you know it is serious. Obviously, I haven't seen anything in this box. I have no idea what it is. I don't even know what the spoilers are. I think there is one palette that I've seen that's from Tarte, but that's entirely it. I don't know anything else that's going to be in this box. I'm going to send up a prayer to the big man upstairs really quick. Please don't let me get any brushes. I don't want them. Please. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm super excited. Let's do it. And if you're new to the channel, then hello. I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's open her on up here. I'm honestly super nervous. Like, I'm really excited, but I'm also very nervous because I'm not gonna lie, you guys. The last couple of boxycharms have not been all that good. I see some things right here, and okay. I really just hope there's a freaking card. I got this. There is a card. Is there? We got a card this month. I'm so happy we got a card. This is Boxycharm Oasis. And I'm not going to see the back because that will give a bunch of spoilers. But this is the first thing we've got. This is from Hallmark Collectibles. What are you? I don't know what this is. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I like this. This is a satin pillowcase. If you guys know from my FabFitFun unboxing, I did another satin pillowcase, but this one is like rose gold. This one is beautiful. I love this, and it comes with a matching face thing. Oh, this is great. I really like this. This is a gorgeous satin pillowcase, and it's rose gold. Again, it won't match my thing, but that's okay. It's not anyone's fault. I like this. This is really nice. Oh my god. Why do I get brushes? Literally every time. I'm so mad. Okay. You know what? I'm not mad. Let's not jump to conclusions here, okay? These could be freaking great. I have heard $1 billion brushes. This is a charcoal brush set. It's charcoal infused bristles. These do look really nice. I'm not going to lie. These look really luxe, and there's a whole set. Wow. There's a whole set in here. Okay, these I actually really like. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I like them and sometimes I don't. I have no idea. This one looks like, is this one a, oh, it's a contour brush. This one is a powder brush, really nice. You can even use this for bronzer as well, I'm sure. This one right here is kind of like an all over kind of shiny lid color. This one right here I would actually get a pretty good use out of. This one I could use for like packing on one main color on the lid. That's what I use. I use this brush for that quite a lot. This one's from Luxie. I love this brush. I use that for like packing on shadow like directly on the lid. You could use that for this as well. And then this one just seems to be, oh, this one says highlighter. It's a very skinny highlighter brush, but I could probably use it for like something on the inner crease or something like that. Yeah, I'm not too mad about it. I know that I always complain about brushes because I have literally so many of them, but these ones do look promising. I hope they're reasonably priced and that they're not like $600 for this set. This is next. This is, I've never seen this before or heard of this brand. Malin Causemetics. I don't know how to say that, but it is a recovery treatment oil. This sounds cool. Ooh, wow. Okay, this is super fancy. It is a treatment oil, our fast absorbing treatment synthesizes a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate, ooh, great, to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cool, great. I'm excited to try this out. Absolutely. It says that it's hydrating, so as long as it's hydrating, that really is good for me because Lord knows I need all the hydration I can get. This is really cool. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks very fancy. Oh, okay, so we did get this from Pure Release. I have, oh, it's BB cream. I thought it was sunscreen. It does have sunscreen in it, but it's a BB cream. Oh, this is great. I really love BB creams. It says oil-free moisturizing, natural looking coverage. It says matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. Those are a lot of claims, Pure Release. This is really cool. I'm super hyped about this. I can't wait to try it. It says, for normal to dry skin types, wear over moisturizer. For oily skin types, wear just by itself alone. For extra coverage, wear under foundation. Okay, so really cool. So this has a lot of, you can do pretty much anything with this. I'm gonna check the shade. It says medium, so maybe this could be a little too dark for me. We'll have to, oh, maybe not. No, I think if once I blend that out, I think it'll be just fine. Maybe it's smidgen too dark, but I'm sure it'll be just fine, really. It feels really nice. That the coverage is really nothing to laugh at. I'm liking this so far, definitely. Really great. This box is really surprising me. I'm really enjoying this box so far. Next up, we've got, oh my god, this is from Kylie Skin. Look at that, how cool. This is the foaming face wash. I've never used anything from Kylie Skin before. I did, actually, that's a lie. I have used the toner before and I did like it. But this is the foaming face wash. Foaming face wash. How cool is this? This is great. This is a full-size product as well. It's not like a mini size. This is really, really cool. I'm super excited to try this out. I can put it like on my face halo or something. I've heard that it's like super gentle, so I can put it on my face halo and take my makeup off that way. I feel like I'm talking very fast. I think I am, because I genuinely do like this box a lot so far. I'm really digging it. But yeah, this is from Kylie Skin. Super happy with this. Next up, oh my goodness, I've got, I just choked like on my own spit. I'm so sorry. This is by Bodyography. It is, oh, lip pencil. Oh man, I need some lip pencils. And it comes with kind of like a pinky nude color, and then it also comes with a kind of deep burgundy. These are wooden lip pencils, so I've never, oh, it feels pretty creamy though. It doesn't feel like it's going to drag. Yeah, look at that. Really nice. And I would say if it wasn't creamy, like if it didn't feel like, if it felt super rough, I would let you know, because I've done that before. This one's in the shade Rosewood. That would actually go really well with what I have on right now from Fenty. I have the Fenty liquid lipstick in the shade Uncuffed, and then I have Lunar Beauty Celine gloss on top, but this would go perfectly with this lipstick. I'm really excited because they seem good, like good quality. Oh my goodness! Okay, this, I'm so freaking hyped about this. This is by Lily Lashes. It is the Triple X mascara. I love this box. Literally, this is like one of the best boxes I've ever gotten in my entire life. Not like, obviously not sponsored, but this is great. I have used this mascara before already and I loved it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use this again. I'm very happy. Next up, and this is the last thing in the box, this is by Tarte. This is the thing that I was talking about that I saw, like the only spoiler that I saw. This is the Tardis Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. I don't know which one this is. Oh, this is sick. Okay, I am really excited about this. This, I've never had this palette either. This right here is all matte shades, and then you have like 4 shimmers. This is really nice. Wow. Now these are pretty basic shades, but these are really, really good. This could take you anywhere. Like, you have all the shades that you need and some shimmer stuff. You guys, I am blown back by this box. I know that there's been like the past couple of boxes that I have not liked at all, or that I've only liked a couple of things, or that they just didn't really impress me all that much. I have to say, they have 100% come back, in my opinion, with this box. I love this. Now, I have no idea if there's any other variations. I'm sure there are, because Boxy usually has like 5 or 6 variations that they do. I loved what was in my box. I have to say, I don't not like anything. I don't not like anything. The only thing that I'm kind of like, okay, I got another one, is the brush set. But I do think that they're nice. I hope that they're reasonably priced. Now, let's look at the pamphlet, and I gotta go, oh, my phone's right here. Alright, and then I'm going to give you some full-size prices, because I'm super excited that they do have full-size prices in this one, because for some reason, the past couple boxes you haven't gotten this thing. Okay, So the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash is $24. Pure Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30 is $35. The Lily Lashes Mascara is also $24. The Tarte Amazonian Clay Palette is $49. I don't know. The Hallmark, oh my god, the Hallmark Collectible Satin Pillowcase and Mask Set is $50. It's 50 bucks. Okay, this is a little more reasonable. I'm not gonna lie. The Billion Dollar Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set is $55. That is definitely a better price point. I think that is really good. Like, I would much rather get something like this and get a couple of other items with it than get one item that is really, really overpriced and not get other stuff. You know what I mean? And then oh my goodness, that treatment oil, that recovery treatment oil, that's $82. That must be like super high-end, like skincare stuff, because that's nuts. And then the lip pencil set, the Pouty and Rosewood, is $28. So you guys, this box came out to a retail price of $347. That is insane, because for Boxyluxe, I believe that you pay $50 every 3 months. So you don't get it every month, you get it once every 3 months. So like June, September, December, kind of like that. So once every 3 months. I have to say, this has been my favorite box in a very long time. If not one of my favorite boxes of all time that I've ever gotten. Good on boxycharm for this box. I really, really enjoyed this one, and I think this box has 100% made up for those bad boxes in my mind. There's not one thing that I don't like in this box, and I'm genuinely jazzed. Like, I'm very excited. But yeah, you guys, what was your variation of the box? Did you get the same stuff that I did, or did you get a different box? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. But that's gonna be the end of the video here, you guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.